Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a matte slash blue lip inspired type of a look, and the reason for that is, you know, you have those moments where you go through your makeup collection and you have either lip colors or you have shadows or blushes or whatever the case is, and you're like, why haven't I used this? And this was that case. I have never worn this lipstick, or probably I have and it's just been one time, because I'm just not a person who likes like super dark lips on me. Surprisingly, this looks good, so we'll see how I start rocking it from now on. But I was like, why not do a video with this blue lip? Like, I have it, why not? And the palette I actually used, if I can find where I put it, this one is actually very matte, and this is from theBalm. It's called Meet Mattemoiselle. It's so cute how they have like the theme of it. Basically, it's all matte eyeshadow. All the shadows are very matte. I'll just open it up so you guys can see it pretty quick. There's like no shimmer, nothing to it. It's just all matte colors. But yeah, so enough talking. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate it. And for everyone else, definitely give this video a major thumbs up if you enjoy it. All the info for all the products that I use will be in the description box. And let's go.